Okay, closing in on the finishing up the hood today, I think, if all goes well. And I've been thinking about how to work on these for the longest time. And I was just able to find a couple of soft pieces that will wrap over the back of the hood nicely. It's hard to wrap thick, heavy-duty brochure paper. For example, this color swatch book from 1987 would never be able to wrap around here and stick very well. But with some trimming and measuring, I think I did all right. I'm gonna do a little Andy Warhol focus there, and I just love this old picture. They always show a flat tire. They never show any mechanical issue, but there's your 123 service wagon out to give you some help if you break down advertising the roadside assistance program. Little G Wagen tribute here on the front corner. Here's some AMG stuff going down the side of the grill, or yeah. And then these are not stuck on there, but that's one of my favorite pieces on the whole car. Pull over, George, and straighten the star.